You sit down to study, you're motivated, focused. But minutes later, your mind drifts. Your phone buzzes another distraction. Another wasted hour. You highlight, reread, take notes. But when the test comes, your mind is blank, sounds familiar, you're not alone, and it's not your fault. It's just how your brain works. Neuroscience shows that we forget 80% of what we study within 48 hours, unless we do something about it. Meet Hiroshi. He's not a genius. He's not a memory champion. But at 12 years old, he could recall over 2,000 kanji characters. How not by cramming, not by studying longer, but by using active recall and spaced repetition, two techniques backed by science. Why most students forget. Most students reread their notes thinking they're studying, but that's like watching someone lift weights and expecting to get stronger. Hiroshi doesn't just absorb information, he retrieves it. Instead of rereading, he tests himself. Instead of passively reviewing, he actively challenges his memory. Every forgotten answer, a chance to strengthen his brain, just like steel forged in fire. The secret. Timing your brain is like a garden. Water it too soon. Review too early and it's wasted. Water it too late, cram the night before, and the plant is already dead. Spaced repetition is the key. Hiroshi reviews information just before his brain forgets it. 24 hours, 3 days, 1 week, 1 month. Each review strengthens the memory. This isn't just a study trick, it's a system for lifelong learning. How you can start in just 6 minutes. No more passive learning, no more all-nighters. Here's what to do. 2 minutes. Test yourself on what you just studied. Active recall, 2 minutes. Review only what you got wrong. Spaced repetition, 2 minutes. Apply the knowledge in a real way. Focused practice. That's it. Just 6 minutes to retire your brain for success. Will you go back to cramming and forgetting, or will you train your brain to remember for life? The choice is yours.